In this video, you will be guided through the correct way to fit your baby's Pavlik harness. Start by laying the Pavlik harness flat on a bed, ensuring all straps are untangled. Gently place your baby on top of the harness, making sure the chest strap aligns roughly with nipple height. Begin by fastening the chest strap. It should be snug, but not tight. You should be able to comfortably fit 2 fingers underneath. Next, secure the shoulder straps. These should be fastened to the lines that have been marked. Now we'll move on to the leg straps, working one leg at a time. The easiest way to do this is to gently bend your baby's knee and hold their foot, then slide their foot into the booty. While holding your baby's foot in the booty, fasten the calf straps. It's important to make sure the leg strap is positioned at the front of your baby's thigh. This strap tends to slip toward the back of the leg, so always bring the strap forward before securing the calf straps. Continue holding the leg strap at the front of the thigh as you fasten the top calf strap. Next, fasten the bottom calf strap. Ensure the calf straps are snug but not tight. This helps prevent your baby's legs from slipping out of the booties. Once secured, repeat the same steps on the other leg. You won't need to adjust the front or back leg straps, but these have been marked by your orthotist in case they come undone. After a couple of days, your baby's legs should relax and rest in a frog leg position as shown. It's important that your baby's legs are maintained in this position, so avoid tight clothing or holding your baby in positions that may pull their knees together. If you need any further information or help, please reach out to the pch Orthotics team.